What's up guys, Banana Gaming here. This will be just a quick FIFA 15 pack opening. There will be a Pro Clubs video later on tonight. Ryan and Taylor unfortunately are not in this one tonight. But yes, let's go straight into it. My previous video didn't work. It just kept on lagging and just wasn't that good. The best player I got was Alba, so we got Abby there. So, not that bad, so we just throw items in club. It's probably be like a quickly 4-minute video. It will be edited, so pack 3. Let's just quick sell that, that's quite bad. So as you can see, my pack luck is not the best. And if you want to wager, me, Ryan, Taylor, we'll leave our gamer tags below. You can just hook us up and we'll wager you. Whoa, 1,000 coins, quick sell. So 950 more coins, FIFA points, sorry. It's really just a really quick video like I said. So there will be, to rares, not that good, but there will be a Pro Clubs video coming on. That's our next video. So we're going to just focus on FIFA for a while now. But we will be uploading a defender glitch and a Horizon hide and swash. Neymar! 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 Yes! Yes! Yes, Deckers! Come on! Yes, guys! Yes! I don't know if he's good. Can't believe that. Neymar! 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 I'm not gonna get anyone good, I reckon now, guys. But who cares? We got Neymar! 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 Neymar, Neymar, he's a Neymar. So we've only got another 2 more. Last pack, guys. Probably. Chris! No, how much is he? No, I don't think he's worth that much. 7k. It's okay. So can't believe we've got Neymar. 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 Last pack. Oh, free pack. So just do the free pack and then one video up here. Hopefully it won't be like, yeah, I'll just end that. So this video is going to end up at 3.5 probably. Just opening a quick silver pack. Boom, 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 Neymar. 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 Right, so bye guys, thanks.